Creating a budget inside QuickBooks Online is a fantastic way to establish a financial baseline for your business. But if you want to perform complex variance modeling, merge your data into a master corporate spreadsheet, or create customized charts for your investors, you need that budget sitting inside Microsoft Excel. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to export your complete 2026 layout budget grid into a native Excel file with just a few clicks. Let's get to it. To pull up your master budget list, let's use our favorite top search bar shortcut. Glide your cursor all the way up to the top center of your screen and click inside the master search box. Type the word Budgets, and when the System Navigation drop-down expands below, click right on the Budgets menu option to jump straight to your dashboard. Once your dashboard workspace loads, look down through your grid list to locate the specific budget file you want to take offline and click on it. In the budget page, you will find Export/Print drop-down option in the top right. Click on it and select Export to Excel. The moment you click it, QuickBooks will instantly compile your entire monthly layout matrix, including your exact chart of accounts rows and all 12 calendar columns, into a fully structured spreadsheet and drop it directly into your computer's Downloads folder. The formulas are preserved, meaning you can immediately start adjusting your financial projections offline. Now you have total flexibility to share your financial roadmaps or run offline modeling with absolute ease. If this quick export guide saved you time today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.